Hello guys, welcome back to Charo Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix DNS server isn't responding problem solved and how to fix the SEP. So first thing what you have to do is when you're having this issue, you just have to go here in the search and you have to search for run command. You have to search for run command and you just have to open this. Or you can use Windows and R key altogether to get a shortcut method. Now you have to type ncpa. You have to type ncpa.cpl and press OK. Right now from here, as you can see that I have connected to the Wi-Fi, so I just have to right click and go to properties. Now from here I have to click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP bar IPv4. I just have to click on this and go to properties. Now I have to use the following DNS server, so I have to give an address. So here the address is 208 then 67, then okay, sorry, I just made a mistake. So this is 67, okay, 67. Now I have to give here the address which is 222, then I have to give 22. Okay, now I have to give alternate DNS server which is 208, then I have to give 67 itself, then I have to give 220, then I have to give 220. Okay, now after giving this address I have to go for OK. Okay, I have to click on OK. Now I just have to minimize this and I just have to disconnect from the Wi-Fi and I have to reconnect it back. And by doing this, most probably the issue regarding how to fix DNS server isn't responding problem will be completely fixed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any suggestions, do let us know in the comment section so that we will improve ourselves and make our subscribers really helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.